What's going on, guys? So right now I'm doing a power steering hose replacement on my car. Here's the trick, guys. I just sawed it off. You're gonna replace it anyway. I just sawed it off. It's time consuming. If you want to get it done quick, just saw it off. The top right there is an 18 millimeter. I got the wrench on. Make sure you go ahead and you get something to spray, because you're definitely going to need it if you have an older car. Um, and then we have another bolt on the bottom. I sprayed that. It was fairly easy to get off. But the top is an 18 millimeter. I just did that. I'm going to reach right in here. And I actually got it from the bottom, loose from the bottom. But if you can hear it, it's coming off. Bam. Easy peasy. Took me like 10 minutes after I did this. And that's it. That's it.